Okay, guys. Hello, everyone. Well, showing you a little bit of the sky at the moment. Meanwhile, I have my phone here. I'm watching and listening. Casper side. Well, this is I found one of these. A little bit different, but same brand. Was they dropped it in the garbage, and I decided to take it home, clean the valves from is the other side from the on this here, but in the machine, the valve there's a very small hole. It was covered with rust, and I decided to. Sorry, I just come. This is the food that usually the stray cats come to get. Meanwhile, I'm doing a repair. Let me see if I have the phone. Leave it like this. I think is enough. Where is the camera pointing? Yeah, over there. So I need to replace the back pads. So let me just grab the.
I didn't see actually where it says tic tac. Okay? Tic tac.
Okay, there's a
UAP, UFO. Fucking like it, mate.
brand new.
Ring. Because like symmetrical. Yeah. UAP, UFO.
Okay, I hope you're doing well. This is going to be, let's say, a different video because, well, I'm not sure if I'm going to have time to go record the sunset. Meanwhile, today,
here we go.
It's now 5:05 in the afternoon. So, on the other day, I have uploaded on the other channel me changing the front pads. You know what I mean? Okay. Now I have other tools, but I like to get used to this one, just to stay was on the road. Casper está a abrir presentes. I'm still waiting that he shows my video. I've sent it. I've already sent the message, and he's already even replied during the live stream. Let's say, said hi. Okay. Okay, I'm screwing this. Someone have sent him a UFO detector. I have 3 of these. I don't need any, but could need it for other stuff. Meanwhile, okay, leave it on the same way I took it. I'm trying to listen to the guy speaking. Sorry guys. Meanwhile, if you're not a subscriber, still have. No, they are not bad, but one is still have some. I'm going to remove it anyway since I've already started, and I save it those for as an emergency or something. Those kind of stuff are usually not very expensive on AliExpress and shit like this, but I bought those for 12 euros each, I think. I need to unscrew this guy. Small two washer, if you may call it like this. I don't mind to get my hands dirty. I don't like to work with gloves. They get stuck and stuff. They're not too bad. I'm gonna save it for another. Those are different. I don't want to touch the inside and leave grease, you know. I need to try this way. Well, I hope everyone is doing well. And like I was saying, don't forget to subscribe to my other channel as well, e-bike adventures. If you aren't, please do. I still need a lot of subscribers there to be able to later on get my monetization. Meanwhile, this channel still, I don't know how many hours I have left. So I created e-bike adventures. I have there some different videos that I've posted here. Some of videos I don't post on my main channel. So okay, let me try to put spacers. Okay, like this. This, I don't know if it has enough space, yeah, to get between the disc. No, too tight. I need to release maybe this piston here a little bit. Did you get in? Or no? Okay, I think he's there. Okay, and now this one. Oh shit! The bags are on the way. I hope I haven't been blocking this with my leg. I keep forgetting where I have the camera. So it's gonna be a boring video, but I'm gonna put this on Premiere. It's not exactly a live stream. I could try to do a live stream, but I only have that phone available, and I don't know when I need to pause it. muito apertado, não é?
to the Las Vegas family. And I don't care what anybody says. I'm 100% okay with being told and shown with
Tá bom.
complete and utter truth, like evidence,
It's not okay yet.
a particular alien is
I need to tighten this a little bit more.
they exist anyway, right?
I put the piston.
Okay, but nobody
God
can
damn it.
tell me that the Las Vegas family, when they saw that shadow bastard in their back garden,
Shadow bastard.
right, that head poking over the fence, nobody can tell me that was a normal shadow. Nobody. That's not a normal shadow. Shadows aren't just in the in space-time continuum.
Don't know what I can do, but
To hit something.
sorry guys, sometimes I forget.
He poked his head over the fence, yeah.
I'm just start to speak in English. I need to tighten this a little bit more.
It's there. It just goes right.
Okay, now it's yeah. Now it's okay.
So I
Now
do
it's okay.
this story and that story are connected in some way. I'm not saying that the shadow bastards in the Las Vegas, because I think that happened in was it November 2024 or something? Maybe even earlier, maybe in August, something like that. I can't remember. I'm not saying that those aliens were the ones in Miami, but I'm thinking that they're the same type, same things. Yeah?
Okay. Now this one. Nice and tight. I don't want the vibrations to leave the brake pads. Yeah, it's okay. They're okay. So I've done. I have the bike ready. Any other adjustments I made it later. I'll try it. I think it's okay. I even need to test it. But it really needs a cleaning. I really need to wash the bike, but not getting wet some part because it's an electric bike. It's not fully protected for high pressure washer, but just if I need to wash the wheels and stuff like that, it's okay. On those parts here or something, you know, because of some plastics. Caralho, esta merda do caralho da chave está toda fodida, mano. Oh, it's okay now. Okay. Hope you have enjoyed and learned how to change braking pads of a bicycle. Okay. One quick view. Yeah. Let's say I'm done for the moment. I don't know if I'm gonna wash the bike today or if I'm gonna leave it for another day. Meanwhile, thank you so much for being here. Hope you have enjoyed. See you soon. Okay.